Alrighty, these are Monday starters. If you remember from last week's Zoom lesson, you can set these up as ratios. And if we're looking at pages per minute, then I'm going to come up here, and the copy machine at the library made a copy of Leslie's 3-page essay in just 1/10 of a minute. What is the speed of the copy machine in pages per minute? So we're going to put the pages on top, 3 pages. On the bottom, we're going to put 1/10 of a minute. And remember, we're trying to get to the unit rate of 1 minute. And we could do one of two things. We can go 1/10 of a minute times 10 would give us a whole minute, because 1/10 times 10 is going to give us 1 whole minute. So we do 3 pages times 10 to get 30 pages. Or you can set the problem up so that you have the 3 pages and 1/10 of a minute. And then remember that to get to 1 minute, if you just divide 1/10 by 1/10, whatever's on the bottom, if you divide it by itself, it's 1. So if you divide 3 by 1/10, then we're going to get our top number. So we have 3 pages over 1 divided by 1/10. And you can keep the first number, change, and then you need to remember to flip that second, do the reciprocal, and that would give us the 30 over 1, or 30 pages per minute. And some of you figured out last week that instead of doing the divided by 1/10, that you can just multiply by the reciprocal and save that step. But it's still important to set it up. We've got a team of painters is painting all the homes in a new neighborhood. So far, they have painted 3/4 of a house in 4 days. So we have 3/4 of a house, 4 days. At what rate are they painting? And we want houses per day. So we have 3/4 of a house on top in 4 days. And we want houses per day, which means we want 1 day. And to get from 4 days to 1 day, we just divide by 4, because 4 divided by 4 is 1. And we do 3/4 divided by 4. So we have 3/4 divided by 4 over 1. We keep the first number. We change to multiplication. Then we flip that over. And then we multiply straight across. 3 times 1 is 3. And 4 times 4 is 16. So we can paint 3/16 of a house in 1 day. Okay, we have Adam buying some granola bars from the store. He finds a box of 6 brain grains granola bars for $4.74, and a box of 10 Nutty Crunch bars for $7.80. Which brand is the better value? So we want to know which one's the cheapest. So we want 6 granola bars are $4.74. We want the price per, I set that up wrong. We want, $4.74 for 6 granola bars, because we want the price of 1 granola bar. I'm going to cross that out. So we divide by 6 to get the price of one. And then we've got $4.74 divided by 6 granola bars is 79 cents for one granola bar. And then we've got a bar or a box of Nutty Crunch bars for $7.80 for 10 bars. And so we want the unit rate of one bar. So we divide by 10. And 10 divided by 10 gives me 1. And $7.80 divided by 10 gives me 78 cents. So the better value is 78 cents per bar, which is the Nutty Crunch, because they are cheaper for one than the granola bars. All right, we have Ryan is buying batteries for his remote control car. Charge Zone batteries cost $15.80 for 20 batteries. So we've got $15.80 for 20 batteries. And then Electrocell batteries cost $8.10 for 10 batteries. And some of you may already figure this out, but we are looking for the cost of one battery. So we divide by 20. And $15.80 divided by 20 batteries is 79 cents a battery. And then we've got $8.10 for 10 batteries, and we want the cost of one battery. So we divide by 10. Divide by 10. That's going to give us 81 cents for one battery. And so the cheaper or the better value is the first one, which is the Charge Zone. And you could have also looked and said if it's $8.10 for 10 batteries, then to get the 20 batteries that I would have here, it would have been $16.20. It would have been double, and $15.80 for 20 batteries is a better deal. You could have done $8.10 times 2. It's going to be $16.20 for 20 batteries if I double that. And this one is cheaper because it's only $15.80 per 20 batteries. Either one of those is good.